tied in, so I can't get out of the way.
It's gonna be a good day, late February. We'll come out here today, see what we can catch.
And I got a wedgie off the jump, guys. Off the jump, I got a wedge.
We got about 1 month of cold.
1 day, 2 3. I'm gonna be throwing the Mike Bucket 2 swim bait, and I'm gonna fundamentally show Josh how to get a buck with
So
it.
you got swim bait, guys. We only got 1 swim bait, so you know, if he does catch, it's just I don't know if we can actually record that catch.
When he says we only got 1, what he means is we only got 1 Mike Bucket swim bait. Now we got a whole freaking tray of different kinds of swim baits. We just got 1 white Mike Bucket swim bait. So that is an inaccurate statement. Windy. It is a little windy. See, I'm gonna go with 2-pronged approach too. I think these square bills are the way to go also. So I'm gonna be throwing these sticks right here. Square bill. On the wall is a bait casting reel. It's silver, and the rod on it says Dobbins. Can you get it and bring it to Riverside End Bridge? Silver. Okay.
Yeah, real silver and the rod fuck color.
Oh man, Josh got a hog. Let me let you go. All right, bye.
Get that net, son. Nice. He hit it right at the boat, guys.
Woo, that's a big fish. I don't have
Justin was on the phone. We had to get a new reel. One of our reels messed up.
Let y'all see. 21 inches, guys. 21 inches. As you can see, mouth closed, tail flap closed. 21 inches. That is a hog.
You let him go.
Now he's going back in the water. See if I can bomb one right here.
Ooh, I just bombed one.
Hey.
Oh, nice. Didn't hit the
Oh,
boat.
man. Right at the boat. Oh, he was there. He was waiting on him. Yeah, and as you can see behind us, there's a creek. So what we're gonna do is probably pull up in that thing, try to see if we can hit on some of those rocks that's in there. Maybe we can bang his buck around in there and get a big bite. So we'll see.
Guys, we're coming into the creek right now. Justin's gonna throw the Mike Buck in there and just see what we can pick up.
It's a little tight in this area, so it's hard for both of us to really fish it. But we're gonna give it a try. Pulled up in this creek, caught a good one. That's a good one. Woo! Just throwing that Mike Buck up in this small creek right here, man. We smashed this one. This is a good shoal bass right there off that rock bed. He's a good one, man. He's good. I've done fine.
All right, man, y'all take it easy.
We're gonna try to drop below them shoals, so and fish. We ain't never went down that far, so.
Here's one right here.
Rue's got a good one.
Nice. Guys, I just picked up another really good shoal bass, probably about 2 pounds. Pretty decent shoal bass. Picked it up right here in these shoal sets. Just ripping this thing across some rocks.
Oh, that's a good one. Tank right there. Inches.
How many?
20.
20 inches, yeah.
You know, one way, guys, that we're fishing these baits, and it's kind of the way I think about it is, and you'll see bait fish running on top of the water creating a V, and you know, just wide open. And that's one way that we fish these Mike Bucket baits. And we're not saying it's the only way to fish these Mike Bucket baits, but for us, we seem to have more success. We're burning these baits. You know, we're fast retrieving them through there, and we're getting hit. That seems to be really, really effective. And obviously, as you can see today, you know, Josh is having a great day. Caught 2 really big fish. Caught a third one. It was a really nice fish. Picked that one really good one up in the creek. Guys, so we just pulled out of the water. It's around 4 o'clock. Had a great day. We didn't catch numbers. Today wasn't about numbers. It was about really big fish. I'm gonna let Josh talk to you about what we done.
Yeah, guys, so it's late February. You know, not quite springtime yet, but you know, it's starting to warm up out here, especially down here in Georgia. So we want to get out here today and just see what we can catch. You know, we ended up just going strictly Mike Bucka. After about 30 minutes into the trip, we ended up picking up 4 bass, 4 pretty nice sized bass, and it's just a pretty good trip altogether.
Yeah, so we wasn't trying to catch any small ones. We were out here just trying to catch really, really nice bass. Josh hooked a 21 incher, a 20 incher, one a little bit smaller than those. I picked up a really nice one in the creek. I mean, all in all, it was a solid day. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned. We got a lot of great content planned later on in the year. We got a lot of great stuff coming up. So y'all check us out. And as always, we'll see you next time.